AI is only as good as the information supporting it. In this demo, see how OpenText Content Aviator uses business workspaces to understand people, data, documents, and connections for the context it needs to deliver accurate, relevant insights. In this first example, OpenText Content Aviator identifies and understands the additional business context of users in the system. This user starts by asking a simple question: who am I? Content Aviator provides a factual representation of the logged-in user and their role within the enterprise content system. Content Aviator also knows about other users of the system, like Bob Davis. In this next example, a user asks about the sales entities within the system. Content Aviator responds with an understanding of not only the workspace types that exist in the system, but those classified as sales entities: customers, sales contracts, sales orders, deliveries, and materials. Next, the user asks Content Aviator to create a customer workspace. The workspace is created in the proper folder structure. The workspace type is understood. The relationships are understood and set up. The user and the role membership is set up. Content Aviator also automatically adapts the context for the user, taking them directly to the newly created workspace and shifting the query focus to the workspace as well. This level of AI in context anticipates where the user needs to go based on where they just came from. Content Aviator also provides prompt buttons for quick actions. The user selects the context, user or workspace, and chooses an action from the prompt list for Content Aviator to execute. In this case, the user adds Liz White to the workspace in the sales representative role. Users can also quickly update metadata within their business workspace. The user asks Content Aviator for the metadata field of city to be updated to Cheyenne Mountain. No need to know where to go to make this change. Content Aviator does it for you. The customer data, which is part of the business workspace template, now shows the user the updated metadata. These are just some examples of how Content Aviator and business workspaces keep the conversation relevant to what the users are doing and where they are in the system. Improve accuracy and increase your impact with AI in context, powered by Content Aviator.